In this video, I will show you how to create the first functional test in ReadyAPI. First of all, I need to select an API against which I will create and run my test. And I decided to select well-known PayPal. PayPal supports OpenAPI or Swagger, and its official website where they declared that Swagger is now a part of PayPal engineering. So now I will import PayPal definition into ReadyAPI. It's pretty easy, and just need to install the plugin which is able to import Swagger definitions into ReadyAPI. Here it is, it's SwaggerHub import and export. I just need to install it, upgrade if I already have one, and it's installed successfully. Great. Now I need to create a new project, and I need to select the description file. I will download description from SwaggerHub, and here I will specify PayPal. Pop up now. PayPal. We'll hit search and we'll wait while it's searching for PayPal definitions. Okay, here they are. PayPal. Probably this one. I have 3, but why not? Now I need to specify a place to save my project. I already have a project with the same name, but it's okay. That was just a testing project. And here I am. Here is my project, my endpoints, and now I need to create a functional test from the definition that I've just imported. I need to select the method and just add to test case. I will call this test suite PayPal tests. Test case will be named just PayPal payment, and request will be place an order. Okay, and here I am. I have the test with an endpoint. I will select the test case and just will hit run button. Test now is executed, but most probably everything is done. I have already created the test, but not yet. You can see that my test case is passed, but the method status is unknown. The reason for that is because I never attempted to check if I already placed an order or I just execute something against an API endpoint and have nothing in reply. Actually, I do have reply, and it looks pretty meaning for me. So I will select my method again. We'll execute it one more time just to have the latest response, and we'll examine it. Here is a response. You can see it from this header. I have here some amounts, some values, and they correspond to parameters that I passed here. I'm not sure how I could validate them, but type mentioning capture looks promising for me, so I will create an assertion based on content on this property. And it's pretty fast thing. I just need to select property which I'm interested in and create an assertion from it. Status complete. So I guess I need to have type captcha and status complete. I will create another assertion for content. ReadyAPI did everything for me. Just execute them to check if assertion passed to assertion passed, and now I'm ready to execute my test case, and everything passed now. So I'm done. I've created a test case and validated its responses. I'm pretty sure that my test is now passed.